We've had video requests for the Forest River Georgetown 2004. So I'm going to do that for you. Here's the outside with the slides out. Headlights are new. You can see some of the sun damage on the front. Two slides, one for the main bedroom and one for the living room. All of the slides work perfectly. We have an on-demand tankless water heater. Lots of storage underneath. This is the compartment for the generator. And this is all of the electrical. It has a 50 amp hookup if needed. We have a backup camera with sound, so you can have someone direct you if needed and listen to them. The clearance is 12.5 feet. There is a spare tire in that compartment. I don't know if you can see, but there's still a pretty good tread on the tires. The brake pads were checked last year and still have 6 millimeters on them. Go inside here. Here's the kitchen setup. There's a microwave with a convection oven if needed. Gas range. This flips up for extra counter space. And on the opposite side is your freezer. And the refrigerator. And that, of course, can run off of either electricity or propane, depending what your needs are. This is the pantry that has a slide out for easier access. All of the drawers and cabinets are locking so they don't fly open when you're driving. I have a shower. And on the other side is the bathroom. Does have a vent. Next to that is the control center. You can check your tanks and batteries and gas. The slide controls, your heater control, and Arctic pack. Bedroom, there's a TV. And a queen size bed. Reading lights above the bed with additional storage. closet. Again, more drawers underneath. Oh. Extra mirror. It's the fuse panel for the interior electrical. We'll bring in the rear slide here just to show you that it works. And then the other side of the RV. So there's a couch. This is a jackknife couch that turns into a bed. It's 6 foot 2 inches long. Additional storage underneath. On the opposite side is the dinette set. This is 5 foot 7 inches long when it converts into a bed. But you can sleep out a diagonal, and it's 6 foot 3 from corner to corner. All of the drapes are custom made and are blackout drapes. All of the interior has been renovated and is currently only 3 years old in terms of the captain's chairs, the couch, and the dinette set. It's a V10 or a 10-cylinder engine. The chairs do swivel. If you can see the odometer there, it's 53,856. It does have cruise control. There's side mirror heaters if needed. If your main car battery goes dead, you can use your battery bank to start the car. There's the backup monitor. The air conditioning and heating system for inside the coach. And then there's additional buttons for fog lamps, radio control, interior lights, or fans. It has an automatic leveling system where you can do it manually. Radio, and then this is the Onan generator. If you can see that, with 1,500 hours on it. This is how you start the generator. You can also start it manually back at the generator if needed. There's a TV with all of the controls, satellite, or excuse me, not satellite, but antenna or cable. And there's a DVD player with it as well. And let me start it up for you just to show you that it runs awesome. Okay. There is a crack here in this mirror, if you can see it or not, just from the door getting slammed too hard. And then last but not least, the overall picture there. Okay, email me if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.